Hi, I'm Rachel, and this video is going to show how to put your baby on your back with your soft structured carrier. I'm going to start by holding my carrier by the waist straps with the decorative panel turned toward me. I'm going to fold the waistband down, and I'm going to turn around and place the waistband on my back, sliding my hands forward. I'm going to find my buckle, bring it through the safety elastic, and then I'm going to buckle it until I make sure I hear it click. Click. Now I'm going to tighten it. I like my waistband at my natural waist. I find that the most comfortable position for me. You might want to play with your waistband position. It depends. What's comfortable for you will depend on, the size of your baby, and you'll have to kind of try and see what's comfortable for you. Okay. The other thing I'm going to do before I begin is I'm going to loosen my shoulder straps. I don't want them too tight when I start. If they're too tight when I start, I find it hard to get the carrier nicely adjusted, and I find it hard to get the straps up over my shoulders. So I'm going to loosen these considerably. I've loosened them a lot. Now I'm going to come get my baby. Would you like to come up? Yes? You want to come up? Alright, I'm going to show a Superman toss with a toddler. So I'm taking my thumbs and I'm placing them on my baby's chest like this. So I'm holding his torso. Can you put your truck down for a minute? Can you put your truck down? No? Truck's going to come up with us. Let's see how it goes. Ready? Alright, I'm holding his torso with my hands, not his arms. And I'm going to swing. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And I swing him up and over my shoulders like I'm putting on my superhero cape. Uh-oh! The truck fell down. I'm holding him by the hands for a moment until I can get my hand back here to his bottom. So now I have my hand on his bottom. He's not going to fall because I'm holding him. I'm going to leave one hand on his bottom. My left hand is on his bottom. That's my dominant side, so I like to hold him with that side while I'm working. My right hand is going to go behind me. It's going to go underneath the panel. And now I'm going to bring the panel over his back and hold his bottom with the panel under my hand. Once I have that panel on his back, I'm going to reach for my straps. Bring them up toward my shoulders. You alright? I'm going to strap up toward my shoulder. Okay, now with my hand I can see that the panel is over his back to about mid-back. I can also glance back and look and make sure the panel's on his back. I'm not going to take a hand off of him until I'm certain that the panel is covering his back. Now I'm going to take both straps in my arms and I'm going to pull up like a Y pull. So both straps up and out. I'm going to lift up and bounce a little bit, and what that does is bring the carrier panel a little higher on his back, gets him nicely seated. Now I'll slide my hands down my straps, buckle my chest clip, and I'll slide my hands a bit further down the shoulder straps until I find where it adjusts, and I'm going to pull back and down until I feel like he's securely against my back and he's not able to lean away. And there we have a back carry in your soft structured carrier. Thanks.